Hello peeps, Travelman here. Here we are in Ao Nang in Krabi, and as always we're budget travellers and we're always looking for cheap trips that you can do on our own, not necessarily booked tourist ones, because Kate doesn't like getting up early in the morning. So here is one I'm going to show you now. Now we've not been on it yet as such, but it's a boat trip and it leaves from Ao Nang Pier just behind us there to Raleigh Beach. Now Raleigh Beach is way around the cliffs there, so it is, you know, and you can't access it by road. It's only accessible by long tail boat, which is always a bit bumpy. We've been in a few in our time, haven't we, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm really looking forward to it, yes, because it'll be very interesting as long as it's calm seas, which it looks like today. 32 degrees today, it's August, it's rainy season, and as you see, no rain. One thing I will say is it's at the cheap price of 100 baht, which is about £2 sterling, or $3 if you're American. Well, I did say it was 100 baht, which is £2 sterling. Bad news is you have to make your own way to the beach. See you!